Welcome to Prime Edition. I am Mchuma Odim. Our sign language expert tonight is Anne Wangeshi. My colleague Tom Boya is away this evening. Talk to us on all our social media platforms at KBC Channel 1 on X, Facebook, and YouTube. On to our top story tonight. The Director of Criminal Investigations, Mohamed Amin, is a wanted man by courts. This is after the top detective's boss failed to honor summons to produce missing lawyer cum blogger Ndiang'ui Kinyagia today in court, dead or alive. It is a ruling. Judge Chacha Mwita expressed concern over the state's handling of the matter, noting the detectives were the last individuals to visit Kinyagia's residence in Kinoo before his disappearance. The court's directive comes even as grassroots politician in Limuru was abducted on a Monday night of drama by people believed to be police officers. This story by Ruth Omboi opens our coverage tonight.
10 days after he was reported missing from his house in Kinoo, Kiambu County, under habeas corpus filed by the Law Society of Kenya, detectives are yet to produce Ndiang'ui Kinyagia in court with their boss Mohamed Amin snubbing court summons on Tuesday.
What are we supposed to do if the people who are supposed to protect us have turned out to be the greatest threat to our security?
Senior counsel Mother Karu urged the court to stamp its authority after the top brass investigators had blatantly defied court orders.
The coincidence of the house being broken into by the police, which they now admit, and my colleagues will be dealing with the illegalities of that, and his disappearance.
The lawyers argue that the matter involves the life and liberty of a citizen and must be taken with utmost seriousness by the detective agency.
The presence of Subarus and the gentlemen in those Subarus in civilian in violation of the law has not been controverted.
We pray that you protect that right. Otherwise, Your Lordship, the citizenry will be left vulnerable and at the mercies of the high and mighty.
However, Amin's lawyer Christopher Marwa stated that his client had not arrested Ndiang'ui and investigations are still ongoing.
Give my clients an opportunity to conclude the investigation. So that the second petitioner, Your Lordship, can actually be arrested because they want to believe a complaint was made. And when my clients visited the apartment,
the judge said since his officers were the ones who were last seen at Ndiang'ui's residence and afterwards he went missing, Amin bears the responsibility to explain his whereabouts.
The Director of Criminal Investigations do attend court in person on 3rd of July, that's Thursday, at 11 a.m. and explain the whereabouts of the second petitioner or produce him in court.
The development comes as another incident happened with people accused of being sleuths using several Subarus arrested a Limuru grassroots politician and a youth leader from a local political party on Monday night.
Wa huku wote walikuwa wamekataa waingie. So wakakuja na marisasi na ku make the matter worse, wakifyatua risasi wanamurika, wanaacha wamekota kila kitu. Kuna pali walikuwa wanaacha evidence pali tu wameshoot kitu.
Peter Kinyanjui was allegedly raided before he was picked and driven away. His colleague Wanjiku Thiga was also arrested at Kamaki Salong bypass today.
Today we are here because of our daughter and son. What have they done? Article 37 of our Constitution allows us to express ourselves through demonstration.
We demand that she is released immediately and returned to us unharmed. That is what we want.
Both are detained at Ruiru Police Station. Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.